Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to work with the direct and like the same, like here, like the same message thing. So first let's work with the direct. Here let's go to our template. Direct template. If we go to our views, we can we are getting the directs from the first message from they were opening, like this one, right? That's why it's active. So we can just go here, let's see, go here, and we can just, let's delete all of these boxes that we have here. Yep. Oops. Let's go here. Boom. Oops. I deleted them all. Okay, alright. Now, yes, we got this now. Okay. So now, here, for direct, indirect, right? Now here we can and for, right? Pretty much same thing. So here, but it's a little different, right? Because remember, direct that sender, because it's the person sending the message, right? Sender that profile that first name, right? Let's save. Here, same thing. That username. We forgot to put the last name here. Oops. Last name. And then here, put a slash. I mean hyphen. And then the date will be direct that date. And then let's format this date, and I will put it I have it here. It's NDG, and then the time, just like that. And then here, of course, will be the body. Direct that body. Yeah, pretty much. Save, and then let's refresh. And let's see. What about it? That should be fine, but direct that date, right? Okay, as you can see, hello there, and the date. Oops. Okay. Let's refresh. Yeah, hello there. And yep. If this this is the person, like let me see. Yeah, me sending to that person. Yeah, our direct is working now. Let's work with the other one, because when we click in this one, it doesn't load the message from this user, right? So let's go to view, and let's go here, down here. So now we're going to create a new method. This we will call direct. This will take the request, and what will happen when we click this one? We're getting the username, right? Username. Okay, user will be equal to request user. Okay. Oops. User. Messages, of course, same thing. Message that get messages. User that, equals user, right? Active direct will be equal to, now we're getting the username, so username. That's the active direct, right? And now we're loading the direct. Message that objects that filter user, and then I have a typo, that's why I have to type this one. I have a typo here, so just use whatever you name your field, right? Just don't copy this one, okay? I have a typo and I'm kind of like, I don't want to like modify the thing. But in yours should work fine, right? Just, just pointing that out. And now we're like updating, because we're opening those directs, so we have to basically update that. And then it's red equals true, right? Because we're just reading that. So now, for message in messages, now we have to like basically like do this, like the same thing with the like red and stuff like that. Okay, if message user, that username equals to username, right? Message red, it's basically the same thing up here, right? Equals 0, because we used it all, right? So now we basically create a context, direct, same thing, messages, and then active direct. Yep. Then we can just copy. This whole thing, and then like paste it here. Okay. Yep. Let's just check if we don't have like indentations. Okay, now let's create a URL for that. Let's go here, URL, and then direct. I think that's one. Oops. Crap. Yes. So, path. So like now, what we're passing to the direct, the username, right? So username, and then here direct name direct. Make sense now? So when we click on the when we click on this user, we're going to load all the directs from the user. Let's just save that. Actually, let's put directs here. Save. Bills, I think it should work. Right? Let's see. Oh, no, we need to. So in our like messages thing here, so our messages here, now we have to modify our href here. Now we want to go URL to the URL. What's the URL? The URL is direct, and what we're passing message dot user dot username, right? Just like that. Let's save, and then let's try. Let's refresh. Now when we click on Bill Gates, do you see how it's working? Pretty much. Yeah, it's working perfectly, right? Now let's fix this part here, the send message. So we want to create a new view for that, right? What are we doing? We're sending a message or a direct. So login required, dev send direct request from user. Oops, it's creating a variable from user will equal who request that user. And now to user will be well, you can select to username, right? Will be request that post that get, because we're getting this one from the template. Right. So we're getting that one from here, from this input. So this input we will name it to user, I guess. Yeah, get to user, right? And then body will be pass that get body. Yep. Now let's if request that method that post. Oops. Post to user will be equal user that. Now let's get the user right from the object. Get username equals to this one, to username down here, and the message will be the method that we just created. Message, send a message from user to user, and then the body, right? Yep. Pretty much that's how it has to be. And then when we send a message, we're going to return the user redirect to the inbox. We need to import that redirect thing to the top, and this is the shortcuts redirect. But yeah, yeah. Okay, if not, HTTP response bad request, and we can also we have to import this one. This is in the HTTP library here. Pop. Oops. Save that one. Yeah, we don't need more. So we now we need to modify our template. So here, let's see, we can let's see. Here's the input, right? So like name. What's the name of this one? Body, right? Here we need like a hidden input, right? Oops. Input type hidden, and the name of this input to user, remember that's how we name it. Then value will be active direct, right? Yep. So this one is, we need to actually on top, it has to be a form or it won't work. So let's, oops, let's move this one here, the form. So the form role form, right? Method post, and then action will be, what's the action? Actually, we need to create the URL for that. So yeah, let's go to the URLs. Now let's go here, and then let's import the view, send direct. That's how we name it, right? Yep. And then let's copy this one to this one, and then let's start deleting. And okay, let's put this one send slash, right? And then here send direct, save, and then like here you put the send direct, right? Yep. I think we are good. Oh, we forgot it. Yeah, we forgot the CSRF token, the cross forgery token, I don't know. Yeah, CRF token, right? Oh, the button. Actually, let's change this one to oops. Okay. La la la. Yep. The name, send, the button, submit, and then let's name this one action. yeah, I think we're good. Let's save that. Let's refresh. Probably have an error or something. Oh, yeah. Let's go to the views. Yeah, here. Save. Oh, wow, so many errors. We forgot a comma here. Let's put in one here too. Reloading, la la la. It's okay. So we're here. What is this? Let me just check the my. Isn't after the picture? Yeah, let's. Oh, here. Save that. Okay, now let's try. So me sending to the person. Hello. Send. Page not found. Send direct. Oh. Send direct. La la la. Send direct. Oh. Yeah. So here, I forgot is the. Yeah. I have to put URL. Just like that. Okay. Let's save. Let's try again. Okay. Hello. Let's click send. Yeah, the user is not defined. La la la. Line 6. La 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 la. To user. Oh, yeah, from Django.contrib.auth.models import user. That's why. Yeah, people, that's okay. Hello, we forgot to import the user model. That's why we're getting this error. Hello, send. Yep. We've which line? 68. Oh, I need to modify this one because I have a typo, remember? I need to modify these ones. You don't have to do it. I have to do it because I have a typo here. So, yeah. Let's try again for the hello. Send. Okay, as you can see, it just sent a message. Now let's log to this user. Let's log in this user just to see if this works. So now let's go to direct. And as you can see, the message from the user. Now let's reply back and then say, yes, I am here. Send. Yes, I am here. Now let's log to the, let's go back. Then direct. And as you can see, the reply, yes, I am here. Wow, thank you. And then send. Wow, thank you. And then let's log out. Boom. Let's go back. Direct. Wow, thank you. Yeah. It's working perfectly. We have the directs working. We want to like fix this new message to just find a new user and like send like message to users. And yeah, let's just stop it here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.